What's up, guys? Welcome back to Born Again Natural. So happy to have you guys back yet another week. So today we have another exciting DIY, one that is so summer friendly and refreshing. You guys are going to love it. We are going to be making a rose water toner. All you need is 2 ingredients. It's super simple and easy to make, hassle free. Don't we all want our lives to be easier, right? And you guys know what's next. You all know the drill. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our videos. Now let's get into this fun DIY. Alright guys, so here are all the things we'll be using to make our toner. And of course you'll be needing some rose water. And this will be used to balance the skin pH. We also be using some witch hazel, which is our astringent, good for getting rid of pimples and acne. And for decoration, we'll just throw in a few rose petals. It also smells really good. And of course, you need your mixing dish as well as a container to store your mixture in. You can also use a spray bottle if that's easier for you. Now we're going to get our mixing dish, which is also a measuring cup for ease of measuring. And now we're going to just pour in 1/4 cup of the rose water toner. In addition to balancing the skin's pH, it's also good for getting rid of wrinkles and smoothing off the skin. So let's pour this into our bottle. You can also add it to your lotions, body scrubs, any kind of skincare item that you have. Now we're just going to go ahead and put in our witch hazel. So we're also going to use 1/4 cup of witch hazel and pouring that right in. Now, witch hazel is also good, like I said, for pimples. It can also fade dark marks. Now, you can stop there, but I'm just going to add a few drops of this rose essential oil. And we're just going to throw in our rose petals, just for decoration. Give it a good shake. And voila! Your very own rose water toner. And it smells so refreshing and beautiful. Now we're just going to take this cotton swab and we're going to just apply it to our skin. You can use this wherever, on your face, on your neck, on your hands and legs, anywhere that you want to prevent wrinkling or any skin issue like acne, oily skin, you name it. It also makes a good makeup remover. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next week, take care.